like wine. You take a little loving, you understand. And what do you find? Oh, you find you got a whole lot of loving. You found you got a recipe for love. You take the moonlight night with stars shining bright. You take two arms, put them around the real tight. Oh, you find you got a whole lot of loving. Oh, you found a recipe for love. Yeah. You found you got a recipe for love. Now the recipe you know, is the best thing you've ever found. Be true to your love and don't mess around. Come home every night and give her some loving. A recipe for love.